Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today Amsha will share with you a light reading book entitled Lizard in a Blizzard. Are you ready?
Yes, in 3, 2, 1. Lizard is reading his book in the sun. He looks up and grins at his friend. This book's fun. It's all about snow. But what snow? Do you know? Snow makes us slow. In snow we don't go. I want see snow, Lizard says with a sign. I want to make snowflakes float down from the sky.
But lizards aren't wizards.
Well, I'm going to try. He isn't a wizard, but Lizard is clever. He loves to put all sorts of odd stuff together. The next day, he showed them his snow invention. He flicks up a switch and his friend pay attention. Softly at first, fat white flakes flutter down.
How pretty!
They cackle, but she soon starts to frown.
It's too cold. It's freezing. Please make it stop now.
Lizard is shivering. I don't know how. Flakes roll down faster. The world is blurred. Reach out for each other.
I wish I had fur.
The machine freezes up. All at once, the storm ends. Hot sun warms them all, melting snow from the flames. For 6 sunny days, Lizard mends his machine. Ice made a few changes. Each snow makes ice cream.
What a dream! Fresh ice cream! Yum, yum! Your ice cream is scrumptious! Chocolate chip and banana! We found this for you!
Thank you, Keiko, said Lizard. He takes it. Hooray! A warm breeze. This is the end of story. Please like this video right now. Bye.